Mathematics 2 Chapter Integration. Tutorial question 66. E. Let's try to do it together. Integrate 4 over x minus 1 power of 2 x plus 1 dx. Now let's decompose into partial fraction. All of your denominator is in the form of linear. Now the first linear have a power of 2. Now how to decompose it? Yes, it's going to be a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 power of 2. Please remember back your semester 1 topic. Now we have done our first denominator. Let's look into the second denominator. We have x plus 1. Hence, we have another constant c over x plus 1. We have decomposed into partial fraction formula. Now it's time for us to find for the value of a, b and c. First of all, cross multiply to equip or to normalize the denominator. Now a will be multiplied by x minus 1 and x plus 1. How about b? b will be multiplied by only x plus 1 and c will be multiplied by x minus 1 square. Now the denominator will be equal for all. We can equip the numerator with the numerator. What is the numerator at my left hand side? Yes, it is equals to 4. Now let's try to solve the following constant. If you substitute x equals to 1, your a will be gone, your c will be gone. Directly, you are able to evaluate the value of b. Hence, your b here is equivalent to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Now, substitute x equals to negative 1. If you substitute x equals to negative 1, a will be gone, b also will be gone, but c can be found. Negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 square is 4. So, c is equivalent to 1. Correct. Now, last but not least, we have exhausted the value of x. Let's try to do comparing. Now, how to do comparing? Let's look into your x squared term. A, if you multiply by x and x again, yes, indeed, you will got the x squared term. Is there anything else? Yes, the c, if you notice, x power of 2, if you expand by multiplying with c, c also will be the x squared term. Now, this is the only coefficient of x squared term at my left hand side equation. I'm going to compare with my right hand side here. Do I have x squared? Yes, my x squared will have a 0 coefficient. So I can put a plus c equivalent to 0. Hence, I can solve for the value of a by substituting the existing c that I have found previously. Hence, my a is equivalent to negative 1. I have obtained all the coefficients, the constant a, constant b and constant c. I can start to integrate it accordingly. Start with the a, negative 1 over x minus 1, b 2 over x minus 1 power of 2, and my c value is 1 over x plus 1. Now integrate 1 by 1. You will obtain a negative. Okay, once you integrate, there is no more integration symbol. So integration of negative 1 over x minus 1 is negative ln x minus 1. Now what happened here? Is it going to be ln? No. Please be careful, yeah? 2 over x minus 1 power of 2 can be written as 2x minus 1 power of negative 2. Hence, to integrate this form, you will got 2. The power of the bracket will increase by 1. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Divide by negative 1. Since inside the bracket, the derivative of it will be 1, so it will not be affected. Now let's proceed to the next one. Integrate 1 over x plus 1. Indeed, you will have ln x plus 1. Now, don't forget to put c at the end. Notice or not, ln and ln, same base, you can combine. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So, x plus 1 will be the numerator. Because of the negative here, you will divide it by x minus 1. Now, don't forget, 2 divided by negative 1 will give you negative 2. Now, x minus 1 in bracket power of negative. I don't want to have a negative power. I bring back down. And last but not least, plus c. So, this is the solution for the part E.